Hello, my good country people. How na do? This is Maureen Gist TV. My people, if una look this picture, one at the see for here. Now, one girl name where they call Jennifer. Jennifer, na student of Niger Delta University. No be small thing, my people. They say in Sojaman boyfriend. In Sojaman boyfriend, dagaran, kpayam. They can say this girl don dey date this soldier man since. So this is soldier boyfriend. Say all the time this he and this im boyfriend they go dey fight, they go dey quarrel. Say their relationship na violence one. But this girl no gree hear o. They don tell am say leave this boy before this boy go kpai you. She say na love. Yes, so she say na love. Why I say she say na love be say una see this kind girls wey be say dem go see say this person wey be say dem dey date get bad temper. Know say this person no dey hear anything. Dem go still dey date am. Dem go still dey date am say make we dey manage am. Before you know, na so una dey see am. Me, I don tire for this country. The rate of kpain, the rate of killing for this Nigeria, killing no come be like anything again. The thing too much. You no get any day wey be say you go open internet when you no go hear say they kpai one person for here or they no kpai one person for here. So now this one now na student person wey be say dem send make e go school o. Pikin when im mama and im papa send go private school, Niger Delta University o. Una dey see am so. Na im this soldier when e be say according to wetin some people dey talk, some people say soldier man when e don know say he and death na 5 and 6, im dey find who go join am. Person wey be say any moment from now they go send am make e go Maiduguri go fight BK boys. So im know say death no be like anything. And the way dem take kpai this girl, na so dem chook him back, chook am anyhow. Blood full everywhere. Me, I just dey think how the parents of this girl now dem go feel. Pikin wey be say dem send go school, I no know wetin dey worry nowadays children sef. Una no go fit do without this una boyfriend and una girlfriend. Make una go read book na wahala. See now, e don lost im life for no just reason. How dem wan come do this kind one now? Wetin go even make am look finish na soldier man e dey friend. Soldier man, dem dey friend soldier man wey no get joy. I never see any soldier wey be say dey happy o. All of them na so annoyance, then they go just dey annoy. They go just dey vex. From say that they pay them small salary. On top of the small salary, they go still carry them go Sambisa forest, carry them go some kind place like that. Where be say duty post, when it be say alarm go there, they stone there. They go use all the pepper body. When they don't come back, they go use all the pepper body face their girlfriend. Guess where be say they friend soldier, now they try you. The people where be say supposed to the friend soldier now they are fellow soldiers. Yes, so why I say so be say the two soldiers then go understand themselves very well. Because this one I go carry civilian, and una no say soldier man go call civilian, say bloody civilian. Now go carry bloody civilian, the friend. And una they look the civilian like really bloody one, because I know series. I know this soldier said una too get mind. They get heart like stone. I grew up for barracks, so I know how these soldiers they behave. Their heart they no get sympathy. If you see where soldier they beat person for here, you go help the person, they cry. Very wicked set of human being. Now girl go get mind. Go get mind finish. You go say na soldier now you dey date. You know, see anybody where you go date for this your life. Honestly, this thing just dey pain me. It's just too unfortunate. Say the parents of this girl now they lose. Now they lose because pikin wey be say they don't born, train and reach to the extent of he enter university. Now university now they put this girl on. They say na make go university. They not tell her say make he go marry soldier. See am now. How they won't come do this soldier now? Because as you see all these soldiers, so you they see. As you see them. Not be all of them, some of them they get some good ones. But the ones where be say their head no correct, be like say na plenty pass. Why they say so be say? These soldiers so na they see so they get one kind mind. I don't want to start to they talk a lot of things. So if dis girl look finish, e look finish upon as im parents take care of am reach, carry am go put for Niger Delta University, good university, e dey read education. You look finish naturally. Hey God, Baba God, make you no give us pikin wey be say dem no get sense o, honestly. May God forgive me if I say dis girl no get sense. Because I no know, okay now, wetin e dey gain from dis soldier? Because according to the story now, dem say dis soldier dey very very violent, and the way e take kpeme am, the way e take kpeme dis girl. Now me I come dey wonder say, dis girl na school environment e dey. Does it mean that when dis whole thing dey happen, nobody hear am? Nobody hear when she shout? Even the gun wey dem say dem ekwe am, nobody hear the noise? Because according to the story, they say when Olopa reach there, say dem lock the door from outside. Show say here the person kpai the girl finish, come lock this thing, waka leave the girl. So the girl, as e dey kpai the girl, as this whole thing dey happen, nobody dey the compound. Is it that the girl dey stay for compound wey be say nobody dey? I no understand. I no understand at all. The parents of this girl na are pitiful. Pikin wey be say dem send go school, when dem feel say one day this girl go graduate, e go bring honor to them. Na wow. My people, how una see this whole matter? Wetin dem go do this soldier man wey be say e don let go person pikin go now? Wetin dem go do am? Because a lot of people dey say, soldier man when e be say e don know, e know say here and death na 5 and 6. So my people, how una see this matter? What are your thoughts? Wetin you think about this whole thing? Because this is not funny. This is not funny. This one no be prayer wey be say parents dey pray for their children, or no be prayer wey person go pray say pikin wey be say you born, wey be say you train finish, then person go just come kill am like fly or like fowl, kill am throway, say because of say im dey suspect infidelity. Say no be say the soldier man don even pay the girl dowry, don even marry am, just boyfriend and girlfriend. I no know which kind level of jealousy be this. The way some kind men dey jealous. They say women dey jealous, but men own jealousy na the very bad one. So men dey get temper to the extent of they're ready to do anything. Okay, if this girl actually dey cheat on this guy, is that enough for this guy to buy this girl? Because girl plenty, women plenty. If you feel say this girl dey cheat on you, why not move on, go look for somebody else? Must you buy am? Now wey be say you don kpai this girl, na 2 of una go end up for. In fact, you as the girl don go now, very soon you go join the girl. Na im good pass. Which kind Satan wey be say e dey enter some of all these people head these days? Why? My people, how una see this whole matter? What are your thoughts? Abeg make you leave comment for comment section. Have a wonderful day. Like this video, share this video. Bye.